Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut video editing on PC. And in today's video, I'll show you how to add overlay to your video in CapCut video editing on PC. First thing first, what you want to do is to make sure you import the videos. And for that, we want to go ahead and click on Import tab right here. So click on Import tab. So I'm going to go ahead and select this particular video clips right here, and at the same time I'll press Ctrl key down on my keyboard and select the second clip, and I'll go ahead and hit on open. Now we have the two video right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we drag the video one after the other. First thing first, I'm going to drag the main video right here. So drag it right here. So once you drag the main video, next thing you want to do is to drag the overlay video. So I'm going to go ahead and select my overlay video right here, and I'll make sure I drag it right here. Now you can decide to add overlay from the beginning of the video. For that, just drag right here and make sure you snap it to the beginning of the video right here. Then you can make sure that you adjust the overlay right here. And for that, what you want to do is to come to the top right here where you have this scale right there. Just scale down. Everything depends on the kind of size you actually looking for as far as overlay is concerned. So I can decide to make my overlay a very big, a very smaller like this, and I will drag it in the area where I want to have the overlay, just like so. Then we can also scale more or scale down right here. So here we can go ahead and start and play our, so you can see the overlay video right here, and then we have the main video as the subject of the metaphor on the bottom right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.